Good morning, guys. I hope you're well. Today, we're going to explain why I'm yield farming BNB and why it's a good option for you to yield farm a small amount in your portfolio at these levels. So, I think personally, the market is kind of nearing the bottom. So, having a range like 10%, 20% could be good long term. We're just going to go sideways after a large sell off. Why is BNB a good pick? Well, BNB has a supply of 136 million, which each transaction burns BNB. They have a fixed supply, they have a max supply, and they have the burn implementation in place until 100 million coins. Also, it's run by Binance. Binance is, a juggernaut in the space, probably not going to die in that regards. It doesn't move as much as all the other coins as well. Compare it to Solana. If Solana drops 6%, BNB will only drop 2%. Yeah, and it still gets the pump and the price action of a BNB, Ethereum, Bitcoin, everything else. So it's a top 10 coin, and I think long term it's good to accumulate it. So yield farming it, you've got two options. Obviously, Pancake Swap you can go to. I'm going to obviously plug my DEX because you earn higher yield. Pancake Swap take 30 or 40%, and they have too much liquidity in their pools. Believe it or not, that can actually be a bad thing. They have too much liquidity, so your dilution or your ownership of the pool is so small, you won't get enough. There's not enough volume on it for you to accumulate any fees. You're better off doing it on deep liquid, basically. So what we're going to do is we're going to go over to here. So this is the current pool, 0.04% pool, and we're going to click it. Now, I would advise you to use a 10% range. So you need wrapped BNB. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to come over to here, and you can do this in your wallet. You can also do this on PancakeSwap and other places. I do it on MetaMask. Just simply come here, type in wrapped BNB, and then you can put your amount in here like so. Yeah, swap that over, and you'll have wrapped BNB in your wallet once it comes up. It's probably not going to show up. Anyway, we'll refresh that, and we've got our BNB in here. So I would advise a 10% range. The reason is, BNB doesn't tend to move more than 10. And if it does bounce back up over time. Obviously, if there's a crash, if you want to do a full range, like you're willing to just wait, do that. If you want just a nice, you get the benefit of it's not too tight, and you get the capital appreciation. So if you put in $50, then obviously when the price goes up, you still earn more on the price appreciation. And you simply deposit, you just come here, deposit your amount, and then you're in. You'll be able to go in and see your pending yield over here, like pretty much any other DEX. Come here, and then you'll see your portfolio. I have some liquidity in here anyway. And then you can just check your fees here. The syncing isn't as accurate as I'd like, which it is going to be fixed. However, we've got our accumulation here. You can obviously confirm. I'm just going to leave it in there. Hopefully BNB will go up in price. And this is our ad here, like so. So enjoy. I hope you yield farm. And if you've got any questions, DM me on Telegram or just leave a comment below.